So in this video, we will learn how to add teleform responses to Microsoft Excel. Suppose guys you have created a form using teleform and you want whenever a user fills the form and submit it, you want to take that form submission data and add it to Microsoft Excel. Now let me tell you guys, you can completely automate this process and the trigger of this automation will be receiving form submission in teleform. And the action will be addition of that form submission data in Microsoft Excel as a new row. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So first of all, we will go to a browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will sign into my own Pabbly Connect account. And after signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here you just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. Then after that we can see we have reached to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. In this dashboard, just click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I'll name my workflow as tally to MS Excel and click on create. Now we can see that a workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is, first we have to get the details or the data of form submission from our teleform which we have built in Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send that form submission response to Microsoft Excel so that we can add that data as a new row in our Microsoft Excel sheet to maintain the record. So let's begin. So here in trigger window, in choose app, first we'll search for tally. Select tally over here. And after that, in trigger event, from the drop down, select new response. Now as we select our trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we will use this webhook URL to make the connection between the form which we have built using Tally and Pabbly Connect. And how we are going to do it, you can refer to the help text given below over here. So just copy this webhook URL from here. And after that, we'll go to the form which you have created in Tally. So just come to your Tally account and then we will select the form. So lead generation form, this is the form which I have created. Just click on this three dot in front of it and click on edit button over here. Then you can see the form which we have created is open in front of us in edit mode. And out of top corner, top side, we can see few options. Out of which there is an option named as integrations. Click on integrations. Then after that, here below you can see several integrations options. Out of which we have to select webhooks. As you can see webhooks over here, just click on connect in front of it. And then it is asking us for the endpoint URL. Now guys, here in endpoint URL, we have to paste the same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. So we have copied the webhook URL from here and we are going to paste it over here. And then just click on connect. And that's it. We have successfully connected our form which we have created using Tally with Pabbly Connect using this webhook URL. Now every time we will receive a new form submission in this form, the details or the data of that form submission will also be captured inside Pabbly Connect workflow over here. And we are going to do the same. So if we will go open this form, we'll just go to share, just copy the form link and open it in a new tab. And then we are going to generate a test lead. We are going to make a test form submission, a dummy form submission over here. So let's enter a name, for example, dummy name, email. This is the email of the person. Then let's enter the mobile number. So this is a dummy mobile number, some random number and the age. For example, the age is 23. And let's click on submit. And now we can see that our form has been successfully submitted. And because we have connected this form with Pabbly Connect, as I told you, the form submission response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So here in trigger window in our workflow, we can see we have received a response. And when we will scroll down to this response, we will see the same form submission data over here. We have the same first name, same last name, same email, same age and same mobile number of the person who has submitted the form. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have connected our form teleform with Pabbly Connect. Now what we have to do, we have to send this form submission data to Microsoft Excel. Now to do so, we will scroll down and come to our action window. And here in choose app, we will search for Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel it is, just select it. And after that, in action event from the drop down, we have to select add row to worksheet. Just select this action event, then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Microsoft Excel account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this connect with Microsoft Excel button over here. After it, we will see it is asking us for the authentication permission or the authorization permission. So guys, because I have already logged into my Excel account over here in my browser, that's why Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. And we just have to click on yes in this authorization permission page. And as we click on yes, we will see our Microsoft Excel account gets connected with Pabbly Connect. So after making this connection, the next thing it asks us is the workbook. And in the drop down below, we can see a list of all the workbooks which we have created in our Microsoft Excel account can be seen over here. So the workbook which we are going to use in this video is named as new leads data. So whatever form submission response I'm receiving from Tallyform, I want to add that data as a new row in this workbook. So we will be selecting new leads data over here from this drop down. New leads data. This is the workbook. Just select it. And after selecting the workbook, we can see it is asking us for the worksheet. So in this workbook, as you can see, there is only one sheet right now, that is sheet 1. So we will select sheet 1 over here from this drop down. After that, all the columns of data which I have created in my workbook like first name, last name, email, mobile number and age. We can see all of these columns as fields in this Pabbly Connect workflow, like the first name, last name, email, mobile number, and age. So in their respective fields, we have to basically map or add the data of form submission which we have received from Tallyform. So here from Tallyform, we have received the first name which was entered by the user who has submitted the form. So we will be mapping this same first name over here in this field of first name, this column A of first name. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and in the drop down below, we can see a list of all the responses of new form submission which we have received from Tallyform can be seen over here. And out of all of these responses, select this response of first name and it is mapped. It is that simple guys, that is it. After that, in column B, we wanted to add the last name. So we will follow the same process of mapping. Just click on this field and from the drop down, select the response of last name and map it. And in column C, we wanted to add the email. So from the drop down, select the email. In column D, we wanted to add the mobile number. So select and map the response of mobile number and at last the age. Just map the age. So in this way, all the response of form submission which you have received from Tallyform, we will map those same data one by one in this field. And at last, just click on save and send test request. So after clicking on save and send test request, we can see that we have received some response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, basically the data, the form submission data which we have received from Tallyform is now added as a new row in our Microsoft Excel sheet. So let's check. We'll go to Microsoft Excel and yes guys, here we can see that this is the same data which we have just now added in our Tallyform while making the submission few minutes ago in this video. We have the same name, same email and same mobile number with age. This means the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now every time we will receive a new form submission which we have created using Tallyform, the response or the data of that form submission will instantly automatically gets added as a new row in our Microsoft Excel sheet. So after setting up this automation, let's test this automation once. We are going to just refresh this form and we are going to use the details of a new dummy user. For example, test name. This is the name of the person. So this is the email address of the person. Age is, for example, 45 and this is the mobile number. And click on submit. So in this way, we have just now made another form submission. And as we make this form submission, instantly, automatically the details of this form submission will be added as a new row in our Microsoft Excel sheet. Just refresh this sheet once. And yes, we can see that instantly this data is added. This means we have tested this automation in real time and it is working perfectly fine. So guys, not just these applications, you can basically connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. And also, Pabbly Connect comes with a forever free plan. And in this plan, Pabbly Connect offers you 100 free tasks every month. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can basically do it for absolutely free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.